Hi guys, trust you all are doing good. Welcome to the channel. I want to show you guys what I have here. So this is HUGO Boss. It is called Bottled Night and this is 200 ml. This is EDT, which is Eau de Toilette. So it has also Eau de Parfum. So it's all up to you to, the one you want. But this particular one is called EDT, which is Eau de Toilette. This scent is a very exotic scent. The top notes are bitter birch leaves, aromatic lavender, citric lemon leaves, and the heart notes are cardamom, jasmine, and African violet. Then the base note is a musky laurel amarillo. It has vanilla and sandalwood. So this is HUGO Boss. It's a very alluring, warm, exotic, woody fragrance for men. So I'm just gonna open and show you. This is a very good signature scent for men. It lasts very long when you put it on. So this is 200 ml Eau de Toilette. It's a natural spray. I'm opening now and show you what the bottle looks like. So this is it. 200 ml. It comes in different sizes. It has 50 ml, 75 ml, and it has 200 ml. So it's all up to you to make your choices and the one you want. Okay guys, thought to show you HUGO Boss Bottled Night. It's highly recommended. Smells so amazing. Cheers guys. Thank you.